It's day 2 and we are going down to check out what is for breakfast. It's boiling inside. It's about 28 degrees before 9 AM, which is crazy, but we're gonna go down and see what's for lunch. Not lunch, breakfast. We're gonna go down and see what's for breakfast. Right, so breakfast is done. Breakfast was average at best. So the pink grapefruit drink, delicious. My guy thinks I always complain, which to be fair, I do. The bacon, if you see, it's just kind of mostly fat. There's barely any meat on it. The sausage is just hot dogs, which you usually expect in like European countries. It's very rare you get proper sausages. So they were gross. It had like some weird lumpy fat bit in it, like a worm. It wasn't though, it just fat, but and the fruit delicious, so that was a nice start. I got orange specifically for Rachel, because if Rachel was here she would have had that orange, and it was very good, very nice. And I had pink grapefruit, which again Rachel knows I love that, so I got the drink and I got the fruit. Very good. We're on our way to the bus now. Where are we going? I thought we needed to go up that way. Alright, we're off down here and we're going to go to the House of Terror. So that's going to be the next step after we take a bunch of buses and trains and stuff. So let's see where this takes us. We're on the most precarious bridge in between all the cars that are all crashing into each other, waiting for a tram, with the view of the Parliament building over there, which is cool. And it's very hot. I'm recording this part for you, Rich, because you would find this cute as hell. There's just a little bookshop at the side of the road. Look at this. Ah, that's cute. Alright, we've just been to Decathlon and I got told off for a recording after I stopped recording. But I bought this bum bag so that it means that I can keep everything nice and safe and hidden. And this will become useful for the race as well. So, right, we need to go get back on that. Do we get back on that?
Walk.
Let's just walk. We'll walk and enjoy the weather. So we're walking to the House of Terror right now. Feels so much better with this bum bag on. I took inspiration from him having one, so now we're bum bag brothers.
Bum brothers.
So Danny's just been telling me that this spells terror at the top, so that when the sun shines through it, it leaves a shadow that says terror on the floor. Not doing it right now, but I assume it will do. So this is House of Terror. So I've been told from my guide over here, this is where, when the Nazis occupied Budapest or Hungary, they tortured Jews here. It's somewhere up there. Terror. So we've just got out of the House of Terror Museum. As you can guess, couldn't take photos or videos in there. Probably not the best idea to do that. If you come to Budapest, is it worth doing? I think so. Paid extra for this audio thing, which was fine. It was good. It's just long. It's like 2.5 hours long. So you've just got to be ready for that. Or you've just got to kind of skip through it, but it feels like it naturally does that anyway. There were a lot of times where it would just skip the room and then go on to the next audio, which is really frustrating. There's also a lot that goes on, like there's way too much happening at once. There's like visual stimulation, there's audio stimulation, there's music in the background, there's people giving talks, so you don't really know who to listen to or where to listen. So it's just a bit strange. Where are we going? To the market?
Yes.
Alright, we're just going to walk there. We're quite far away, so see where it goes. We're not?
We're not walking though.
Oh, we're not walking there. We're using our bus pass that costs us £10 for 72 hours of unlimited access. Can't see the shadow, the sun's just gone away. What is the chance of that?
It'll come back, there's no cloud. It's literally, look at cloud, it's behind the smallest cloud
Yeah,
ever.
it's behind the tiniest cloud. Alright, well, we'll see if we can see the shadow. I'm literally waiting for the sun to come out from that cloud. And then we're gonna see there on the wall the magic trick. You can kind of see it. There's a after all that, I'm gonna put a better photo on Google for you because it's got really low now, so I think it's probably better that you see that like earlier on when it's super sunny, but you can kind of tell. All that waiting just for me to show you on bloody Google anyway. We've ended up in some park and we're off to see the pool. There's also a skate park in here, which is pretty cool. But there's also a Michael Jackson memorial tree. And that's where Danny stands there and goes, when we stand in front of this tree, you can do some
Fucking boosh.
some of that. What's he doing? Moonwalking.
He dances, bro, and sings. I think that's what he does.
Do something.
No.
It literally is just a tree covered in Michael Jackson's pictures. And flowers. Yo, check this out. Do you mean hee hee? You just laughed, but you laughed wrong. Whoa, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Alright, let's go see the skate park and then the pool and then we're gonna figure out where else. There's another one. Keep seeing people in Ferrari merch, so. And then Danny just keeps shouting this every single time to see if they look. With the laugh.
Yeah.
Danny's pulled. He wishes.
Yeah.
He's absolutely adamant that there's a queue over there because
I'm not
people are
adamant.
waiting.
If I were adamant, I'd still be waiting there, but...
So they're putting a stage up and we think that that's where they do an after party thing for F1. There's loads of people wearing F1 stuff around, so maybe. Yeah, I want to go see some people doing some skater stuff.
Sorry, mate.
No, it's all good, man.
Is it possible? Could I borrow your camera?
Alright, I've been asked to record something by these lads here, so just waiting for him to come over, doing some sick rollerblade stuff, so we're going to catch some footage for him. Danny's sat over there laughing. Here we go.
Get it! Go like this.
Right, okay, are you coming from down the bottom?
From there.
From that side
from
to
down
jump?
the bottom, going here on the inside,
Okay.
and then just finishing it off there.
Finish it off here?
Yeah.
I could probably get it from this angle.
Okay.
Down here.
You do you're the bastard in. I'm not there.
We'll give it a go, Alright, let's see what we can get here for him. What were your name?
Nimrod.
Oh wow, I don't even know how to say that. Nimrod. Nimrod.
Like a road.
Nimrod. Nice, sick. Alright, the channel's called Zach, Rach and Life, so that might be very hard for you to find. But I'll put some tags in there for Hungry Budapest skating and we'll see if we find it.
Great, mate.
Alright, good luck, mate. Nice meeting you. See you
Bye.
soon. Alright, let's go. So we was just talking to those guys for a while and they wanted us to take some footage of them skating. So that's exactly what we did. Whether they can find the channel or not is a different matter, but we'll see. That was cool. They were saying that summertime here, Danny, is usually like 26 to 28 degrees, so it's like bearable. So this is just excessive. Bit hot. We've stumbled upon a very beautiful place. Do you know what this is?
No.
I don't know what this is either. And there's a lot of F1 people around, which is fun. I'm gonna photobomb Danny's picture. This looks cool. We've stumbled upon probably like the centre of Budapest here. I don't know how we've done it, but
I think there's a fair few.
what, a fair few centres?
Yeah, like popular places to be. There's they're called districts, like District 7, District 6, 5.
It's like
I think.
Hunger Games. It's like Hungry Games. Yeah, where were we actually trying to head to?
Down there, just the river.
Alright, we're off to the river where the hang shoes are or something, which is somewhat related to where we've just been. That is a wonderful backdrop. Fuck yeah, that's sick. Gonna come and pose with the backdrop. Yeah. That's it. What flavour are you getting?
I might get a sorbet in a cup.
African cocktail.
Can I have a cup with the strawberry, please?
So we've just paid $8.80 for a single scoop. I got Kinder. You got strawberry sorbet, right?
Mm-hmm.
$8.80. How much do you think that is? Roughly 1,000.
Should
It
be
said
about
€2
£2.
something.
Yeah, it should be about £2.
And what's interesting is, I tried to pay with 1,000, and she said you have to pay on card. That only leaves like 120. So that doesn't matter, does it?
She had no coins.
Yeah, but we could have just left 120 and it wouldn't have mattered, would it?
Depends how much you value.
Value, like... That's the problem, I don't know what it is or how much I'm valuing.
You need to start remembering.
It's too difficult. There's
If you
too
remember,
many currencies.
1,000 is about £21.
It
then-
is £21. 1,000.
10,000, sorry. 10,000 is £21. So
Do you see
1,000
why
is
it-
about £2.10.
Do you see why this is so hard? So if I'd have left that money, I was going to be leaving her, what, like a couple of pence? So it didn't matter, did it? Well, I don't know.
Of course.
Anyway, this is melting, so I'm about to eat it. So I've just asked Danny if he thinks that this is safe to swim in. The answer is definitely not. The building that we've just been in, the Terror place, literally showed you where they were dumping bodies into the river. And it was like bulldozering bodies. It was vile. So ahead is the reason why we are here. And it's because of these shoes. So again, one of the things that we saw were all the people being like brushed into the sea. So it just sounds so wrong, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this, man. This is crazy. People leaving candles and roses and flowers and stuff. Crazy.
Obviously, they come up here,
Yeah.
and the reason why the shoes are still left is because the shoes were quite like expensive. They used to take the shoes off of them,
Yeah.
and then shoot them and push them in the river.
Really?
Yeah, so that's why it's shoes on the river, because the shoes are not quite expensive and they used to take them.
Wow. Why were they so expensive?
Well, they could just be sold. Like, there's not much of a body that can be sold, but you can sell your clothes and your possessions, can't you? So,
So they just left the shoes.
yeah.
Man. The more you know. This is why you need yourself a tour guide when you go away. As far as I was concerned, I was coming to watch fast cars. and here we are learning about history. To the point, by the way, where I thought Hungary was in Germany.
Oh my god. That's
Embarrassing.
That should be a crime, should that?
Well, we live and we learn by coming to the place
Yeah.
and realising that the reason I probably thought that is because it was under German control at one point.
Oh, you were getting confused with Hamburg.
Well, they are very similar in words.
Hamburg, Hungary.
It's like Hungry Hamburg.
I wonder if Hamburg's even in Germany.
Imagine if it's not. And then you just
And I
embarrass
look like
yourself.
a fool, yeah.
It's just English people are just idiots. If you remember last week's vlog, what do you mean it was yesterday?
Who more yesterday?
If you remember the vlog from yesterday / what I posted last week, you might know where we are. We're at the Parliament building again. I don't know if you saw that, it's way too sunny to see anything. So we're gonna go to the market, which sounds exciting. Buy some stuff, maybe get some scran, although I'm not that hungry yet. I know we just had ice cream, but dessert don't count, so whatever. It's warm.
Yeah, no, we need to go find some shade, I think.
Let's go find
If we
shade.
can, but the sun is like directly overhead.
It is. It's right above us. It's like 33 degrees. So, anyway, here's the Parliament building again from a new view. Sorry. Nah, that's so good. We've just been kicked off the grass that we went to sit on and outside the Parliament building because apparently you're not allowed to sit there. Danny stood up in a panic because of the policemen. Something happened. What do you think happened?
Policeman battered me.
He stood on his glasses. That cost £130. That is the worst thing I've ever seen. That is such a you thing to do.
I didn't even stand on that hard either. I literally
You didn't? You just leant on him? That's what £130 buys you. What make is it?
They're just Ray-Bans. Oh, they are
Just
Ray-Bans.
Ray-Bans.
They're
You
Ray-Bans.
posh bastard. Look at the state. You look like a shit pirate. Oh, do you have any replacement ones?
No, we'll have to buy some. That's next part of the vlog.
We'll have to replace his glasses. We've just taken the metro to... We've just taken the tram, this is it?
Yeah.
To the Great Market Hall. So I know that they have a lot of food here, but we also think they might have some glasses. Since this guy's a sausage. They might not have glasses, but they might have some glasses shops nearby if it's like a, you know, a market district, but we'll see. Howdy? Real? Yeah, let's just slide up. I just got a mixture: kiwi, lemon, raspberry slush.
That looks good though.
What did you get?
Lemonade.
Is it good? You never drank it?
Not lemonade actually, just like lemon juice.
Lemon juice, yeah,
Really
that's what
nice.
they call it. Rachel always tells me every time I go to Portugal, and I always ask for lemonade, she's always telling me it's just lemon juice.
Yeah.
Whereas in England, lemonade is fizzy, and in Europe, lemonade is just like pure lemon juice, so it's quite sour. Really nice though. Slush, amazing. This is exactly what I needed. Oh my god, it's so warm. This is a shop that Chris would like. Paprika.
Okay, good stuff.
I'm a bit pasty. I mean, hee hee.
You're carrying that around, look, you're carrying it.
We're just both vloggers. Me with my vlogging camera, you with your vlogging camera. Alright, we've done in the market. It was what you would expect a market to be. Just meat and fish, and for some reason an entire street dedicated to pickles. It stunk.
It was a street dedicated to Hungarian delicacies, which includes pickles and
Pickles.
fish, some sort of fish.
Pickles and pickles and pickles
Pickles.
and pickles. Shit ton of pickles. Right, we need to go find you some sunglasses. Are you looking on map?
We either walk down there, get the tram for a stop. So we either walk 8 minutes, get the tram, and then walk, or we just walk for 11 minutes.
Alright, we're just walking then, aren't we?
So basically we just walk left for a bit.
So we're off to some other weird museum of something. I don't know if it's a museum, it's just like an experience thing or something. So
He said not a thing there. Not just something, museum, something, maybe a thing or something. We're doing a
if
thing.
you haven't gathered, I have no idea what we're doing half of the time. I just follow this guy around and end up somewhere and like, cool. I found this place though. Trust me to find a stinky old market. Moon. Moon. Moon.
Moon.
My guy's taking a photo with the moon. I'm taking a video with the moon. It's the moon. I don't know why the moon's here, but there is the moon. This guy walks into a sunglasses shop with broken Ray-Bans and just walks in and is like, can I get some more Ray-Bans? They're going to think he's so rich. He's just spent like £220 on some new Ray-Bans because he's crushed his old ones. They'll have
Yeah.
thought, what the hell?
Yeah,
But that
probably
was pretty-
wasn't,
that was
but
pretty
it's
funny,
warm
though.
and bright and
You were just trying stuff on, I was just sat there saying, how much is that? And every single time, I don't know. He doesn't know. He's too balling to care, apparently. Slush number 2 today. This one is watermelon and it tastes delicious. Actually, it tastes like watermelon. Usually you'd expect fake watermelon, but it tastes like good watermelon. So that's nice. We've also found a casino behind us. Might go in there. Can't record that though. I took 5,000.
You can record wins. Win loads.
Well, we did in Vegas, actually, didn't we?
I won loads on way here. In services.
We didn't record that, but we sat down at services when we were on the way to the Air Hotel in London, and he put what £5 in, and then ended up taking out about 13 quid. So, man's no wonder he don't care about spending 230 quid on Ray-Bans. Absolute baller.
Like with you and me, I'm not going to scream it.
All you've been doing is screaming, Charles Leclerc! What do you mean? He's just bought Ray-Bans.
Look, they're selling Ray-Bans here.
Oh, that's the one that I tried to take you to.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, this is the one I was trying to bring him to, and he went to a different one. Now he's fuming. You could have had some Ferrari Ray-Bans, bro.
Do you have any idea how much they pay?
Got the steering wheel here.
That's a Thrustmaster PlayStation.
So that steering wheel I just recorded, Danny came home and he said, bro, that's a PlayStation controller. What a tit. So we've just got back to the park on Margaret Island where our hotel is. We're going to go to the hotel, but then we realised we hadn't eaten since breakfast, so we're going to go find some food. I honestly don't feel that hungry. It's really bizarre because we've been out all day. I think it just must be the heat and the fact that we're just drinking a lot. I don't know. We're going to find food anyway. And we couldn't get in the casino. They needed our passport, which obviously we don't just carry that around. So we didn't go casino. That's probably for the best, to be honest, don't it? Let's be honest. Fountain in the background. Saw that last week, sorry. Very cool. Budapest. It's the Budapest sign in Budapest. Budapest. It's smelling good. If you had smell-o-vision right now, what would you smell with smell-o-vision right now, bro?
Big pork chop.
A big pork chop. There you go. There you have it.
Nice for it. And you can see the whole fucking Brothers Road for like most road is the city is almost 200 kilometers. So there's
Welcome to Burger Reviews. So I took a burger. I said to the man, does it have mustard on it? Does it have pickles on it? Because I said no mustard, no pickles. If you know me, you know I don't eat any of that gunk. Anyway, he said, yes sir. So what did I do? I said, alright big man, where's the chips? He says, the chips bro, you need to order at the bar. I said, my guy, I've ordered chips. Would I go again?
We will be, I think.
Probably, because there's no else around.
Oh, there is. There's quite a bit around.
There's a few things, but it's like either pizza or burgers, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's exactly what English
Man
people
saying
want.
there's not around. We've just walked past about 400 restaurants.
In the centre of Budapest, which are all fancy.
Yeah.
But we know this guy. Fancy don't make a difference. My guy will stand on some £200 glasses and go buy £200 more glasses just for laugh. Come back to the hotel now. We're gonna chill for a little bit. I'm gonna let my. I haven't wore pants all day. That just sounds like I've just got a t-shirt on. I haven't worn any boxers all day because yesterday was so horrible in the heat. So today I'm wearing swimming trunks.
So what were you about to say?
I was saying
I'm gonna let my
balls rest because they've been chafing on my legs. I don't know if it's the balls chafing or if it's the netting. I think the netting inside is like having a bad time, man.
Grade A content.
What would you think watching this?
I'd be enthralled. I'd hit that subscribe button.
Oh, you heard it here. Subscribe for more ball chafing. Okay.
There's a bit of forced content.
Because this is what we're doing, and I said this needs to be recorded. So we start with a different word now.
Shovel.
Shovel. Okay, I'm gonna give you a beat.
No, I'm not doing it.
Oh. Shovel's well hard. Give me something better.
Alright, okay. Tree.
Tree. Alright, give me a beat. Can you see? I've stood by the tree. Can you see? Come on. You got laughs.
I can't.
Beatboxer.
I can't
Go back.
beatbox.
Go back to it. Can you see? I stood by the tree. By the sea. Ooh wee.
Oh god. Alright, cut. Done.
No.
Subscribers are fucking disappearing by the second. We want to go get all that.
Bibi. Bibi.
Keep beatboxing as long as you want. What's happening?
Look above, you can see the leaf. Man stinks, you need to brush your teeth. What do you mean? Content about my drink?
I've just been to the hotel and
Because I've just been to the hotel lobby
I had the best idea ever.
and I had the best idea ever.
You see, in the hotel, they're really nice and they do this free drink.
You see, in the hotel, they're really nice and they do this free drink.
And I just so happen to have an empty bottle.
And I just so happened to have a no, but really, they do a big glass at the bottom of the hotel room. And it's filled with lemons and limes and oranges and water. So I said to Spoonie, I'm going to go and get my bottle and fill it up because I don't know where we're off, but hydration is key. What are you hydrated on?
Wife.
Whoa. My wife! We've just missed it, but there was just a massive lightning up there. How far away were it? Oh, there's the thunder.
Came into my crazy world like a cool and cleansing rain. Before I knew what hit me, baby, you were flowing through my veins. I'm addicted to you, turned to love like a power drug. I can't get enough. Lost
You having the time of your life?
Pretty good. Hey, it's pretty good.
Hey, that's pretty good. Compare it to Bellagio.
Scale of the Bellagio.
Shut up, can't hear you, bro. Bro, we're trying to tell me what he thought of it off the vlog. How dare he? No, that were really good. Really enjoyed that.
It was good, yeah.
I don't know how much of it I can show with music because it'll get copyright to shit.
Just show all the classical stuff. That's like way out of
Is that-
copyright.
Are you allowed to do that? Classical?
I think so.
Oh, that's good because I recorded one of the songs whole for classical.
Yeah, I think it should be
And
alright.
it sounded sick. We'll figure it out. But that was really, really good. That happens every night, right?
Yeah, a few times throughout the day, I think, when it's dark, but the main one's at 9.
Really nice. If you come to Budapest, that is a must-do thing.
Yeah, it's
Sex Review, Margaret Island. It's really cool. Yeah. I think your mum called Margaret.
yeah, but I don't know if this island is called Margaret Island.
No, it is. It's Margaret Island. Yeah, that was really good. We enjoyed that. All right, we're off to find food, although I'm not, because I'm not hungry at all. Margaret Island. We've got a pizza takeaway because we were gonna eat it at the hotel. I just got margarita. I'll show you mine in a second. But I'm trying to catch the sky because there's like a severe ass storm going on. Doesn't look like it, does it? But every so often the sky just explodes in light. I want to catch it. And then the thunder is so loud. Look good?
Yeah.
Out of 10? Don't know, mate. I've had one bite. I have to do that to Rachel all the time. Listen up, that's going to be huge. Watch it just do a little fart. You heard all ambulances in the distance? Some that's going down, man. Wow. How long does this till next lightning strike, you think?
Let me just do my calculations.
Doing then?
5, 4. Oh, fuck.
What, did it do it?
Yeah.
Oh
Missed it again.
no! Is it going to start bouncing around, do we think?
That'd be a welcome thing, I think.
Oh yes!
Wow, that was
Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, this is going to be a big boy. He's going to shake the town. And now. That worked. You join me in the lightning and thunderstorm to see the delicious pizza. Looks a bit shit. It's not cooked. It's not sliced right. Oh. I'm trying to vlog here. All right. Oh, just lit up. Yes. That is so thin.
Neapolitan style. Shite style.
Right.
You like a thick pizza as well, don't you?
I like fat amounts of dough, like a lot of dough.
You
It's-
ain't give us an official taste yet.
Well, I kind of. Don't get me wrong, it's nice, but it's very average, very like bang average.
Some
But
big lightning behind you then.
It's so good. This is so sick. I'm just waiting to have like the whole rain drop on us. I give that a solid 6 out of 10 because Danny told me I'd go too high up or too low. And his reasoning is really cool. That 5 is average, and it is, because 5 is in the middle. So I'm going to give it a 6. But does that mean it's above average? Slightly above average.
You've
I'll
got to
give it a
think like,
5.
you've got to think like
Wow.
1. If it's a 1, that's like opening a box and there's a pile of shit in the box.
Really?
That's a 0.
Well, that's never going to happen.
So 3 is edible.
So 5 is just like, yeah, it's average. I'll give it a 6 because it's definitely not just average. If I stand like this and just wait. 5 hours later. Right there. Ooh, the thunder. Oh, there's a bit of flashing, but that was far away. Oh well. Right, we're waiting for a bus. us. We are back in the hotel room. We've got an absolutely brilliant view. I'm gonna sit over here with my pizza and then I'm gonna watch the storm. Danny's gone back inside because I've just had the most crazy reaction to the lightning I just saw. There's also like a perfect rhythm of light up there in the same spot. I don't know what that is.